Lawnmower. Chris is cutting his grass with the lawnmower. He's cutting his grass with the lawnmower. He's the push mower. He's cutting his grass because it's long. He's cutting his grass. Lawnmower. He's busy listening to Reckless Kelly and having a beer and cutting his grass in the spring. Cutting his grass. You can hear him mowing. He's mowing his grass in his yard. Mowing his grass. Mowing. You can hear the lawnmower. He's cutting his grass today. He's cutting the grass. The spring grass. He's cutting the grass, and there goes Natalie by saying hello, cutting the grass.